Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to record a video on Loom. Now, here are the steps to take to record a video on Loom. The first thing for you to do is to launch the Loom desktop app by double-clicking the icon or its icon on your desktop, which is here. So double-click and it is going to be launched. Now, if you're already signed in, if you aren't already signed in, rather, enter your Loom account credentials, email and password, or sign in using any method and just log in. If you do not have an account, just follow the prompt to sign up. So once you're already logged in, the Loom recording interface will appear, which we have in here. So you'll see options which include no camera and no microphone, and you have start recording, you have the effects, you have speaker notes, and you have the canvas. So if you want to record a video, it means you have to turn your camera on. So just go ahead and click on this button that says off, and once you click on it, you'll see that it has been turned on. So it has been turned on to HP True Vision HD. As you can see, my face is showing at the bottom right corner of the screen. So my camera is turned on and I have not started recording. Now for you to start recording, go ahead and click on the start recording button and you will see that you will start, your recording will be started. So now it says your mic is muted. To have sound in your video, you need to unmute your microphone. Now click on unmute to have sound, but I don't want to have sound. Okay, so I can just go ahead and click on continue, and that is it. As you can see, that this is showing that I'll soon start recording. So here you go, my recording has started and my face is here. So now that my face is here, I can just go ahead and do whatever I want to do here, any kind of screen recording plus video recording. This is just pretty much how it works. I hope you can see this is how it works. It's just pretty much how you can record a video on Loom. So once you're done, go ahead and click on this stop icon, which is here to stop the video. And once you do that, that's going to take you into the Loom editor. So a new tab is opening. So you can see the video that was just recorded. Here's it. So you can go ahead and edit to just change the name of the video. And once you change the name of the video from here, you can add variable if you want to. And these edit activity transcript view settings, just whatever you want to do here. We're not going into editing full time, but this is pretty much how you can record a video on Loom. So go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.